I had so many plans to be riding and all this other stuff because I was like, I'm kind of running out of content right now or things to do. Tell them we're eating tacos and we're inside. Why are we inside right now, you ask? I don't know if you can see it. It's freaking snowing. It's snowing. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, we had all these plans, and I was like, man, I'm going to get some riding. It's been 28, 30 mile per hour winds today. It's Thursday, by the way, in case you're wondering. And I'm sorry, guys. Like, in my mind, I was like, man, I'm going to make so much content. The weather has just not allowed it.
So we've been making content from Gladys because she's enclosed.
I mean, literally, I finally got the car out. We finally got it out. And I figured this video is just going to be short and sweet. It's not even going to be very long. But I'll tell you what it's about to be about. We finally have decided on a name. And we picked it from one of you guys. So, stay tuned. We'll be back in a second. It's time for us to go over the names. So, we have already picked the name, but I would like to tell everybody who did comment that we appreciate it. It is 2 days after I made this video, I think. Hold on, buddy. So, there we go. We got Petey the Pro R, Eleanor, Tony the Tiger. I kind of like that's funny. Milestone, I like that. Patty Miles, remembering the old and the new. I like that. That's cool too. Dusty Dunes. Okay. Ooh, Matilda. I do like Matilda too. Orange Crush. If you paint it orange. Who's to say I'm painting this thing orange, guys?
It could be yellow.
Yeah, it could look like Ronald McDonald.
But Miles loves the color yellow.
Yeah.
Did you say yellow? Oh, hat.
Oh, see, this is a hard one. Ride, because that's what Miles calls everything. And it's like, but like, it would create chaos in this house, guys.
Yeah.
It would create full-on chaos if we named it that. Because I could be like, hey, I need you to go to ride real quick and pick up something. And then he would think he's going to go on a ride. So that's a hard one to... Not that I don't love that name, but Miles would be like... Ride. So, only Miles. I like that. Gator. Ooh.
Gator don't...
Sorry.
Gators wear Jimmy's.
God, I'm gonna have to meow so much in this. This is supposed to be the simple, easy video to help us get ahead on videos, but I've got to meow so much. Oh my God! If you haven't seen that movie, you should. Daisy. Our fifth wheel's name is already Daisy, but I do love Daisy. Desert Storm. I do like that. And Stormy. So I love the Stormy. That was actually the runner-up was Stormy for me. I don't know why. I just like the name Stormy.
That's what my Mini Cooper's name was Storm Cooper.
Yep, that's true. We used to have, you know what's crazy? We told you guys this whole story about our lives and we missed like 2 years of it. A full-on gap of us when we were in the car life. I've been a big car nut forever. And there was 2 years where I had this whole car club. There was a European car club and all this crazy stuff. And I forgot to even tell y'all. It's like that part of our lives just disappeared. Louie the Limo. I do like Louie the Limo. Rita or Sheila? I do like Rita. That's a cool name. Mileston? Oh, Ryan there. Mileston or John Style? John Style. He said he combined all those names. That was a close runner-up. I like the Mileston, the Milston.
That looks like a combination of yours and Miles' names. I'm not even included in
Krista's
that,
not even in it, man. You just well, the ST is Krista. You know what I mean? And the ON. Milestone, ST.
Miles Jonathan.
Yeah, ST or something like that.
Yeah, I ain't included.
You did good, Ryan, man. You were close, buddy. Maybe on the next one. When you peel the till off, I will. Yeah, you're welcome to have a piece of till. You can have every piece of that till, every piece. I don't want any till there. Purple and call it Great Babe. Ooh, I do like purple. Maybe purple, guys. 2 cents. My suggestion. Lucille. thanks for the video. Miles, so cute. And drum roll. Leona, congratulations. You just named Patty Mayo's successor.
Predecessor.
Yeah, something like that. You just named her. Her name is now going to be Lucille, which is, you might hear me calling her Lucy a lot, which is short for Lucille. And like Krista said earlier to me, we were talking about it, she said it's like
Lucille Ball.
Lucille
and I
Ball.
Love Lucy.
From I Love
That's
Lucy.
the first thing I thought of, and I was like,
Yeah.
oh man, if you've been with us and you know like how we name things, like everything has like Daisy and Fancy and Misty, and so I felt like Lucille is like.
So I'm probably gonna call her Lucy, but whenever I'm mad at her, she's gonna be Lucille.
Yeah, Lucille.
It's kind of like how you say the
Patricia.
middle name. So her name technically is Lucy, but it's based off of Lucille. And whenever I'm mad or changing a belt, and I'm like, Lucille here, you know what I mean? Like, you know, it's like
She
your
don't
parents
mess
are
up.
angry. So Lucy is her name, and it's thanks to Leona who led us to that. And
Are you eating
so yeah,
seasonings? No.
there's Miles is running around a seasoning bottle eating seasonings. Ooh, baby Ruth, baby Ruth. The limo. So that's another thing I would say is it will probably be Lucy the limo. You know what I mean? It's I don't know. I like that. Tons more. The honey badger. Oh no. Oh no.
I was trying to get him before. He's wet. He's put his mouth to it, so this is all crusted, so I can't close it. I thought it was closed. It was not closed.
What happened, Miles?
Oh no.
What happened, Miles?
It's a good thing Mommy literally just washed all this.
What happened, dude?
Well, vacuum time. Oh,
That was
no.
unexpected. I mean, that's part of having a child, is everything's unexpected. So, Mystery Machine. I like that. I watched Scooby-Doo growing up. Sandman, Miles of Smiles, MOS. I like that a lot. Big Booty Judy.
That's funny. I never saw
Ooh,
that.
Heavy Metal or Sand Slayer. If Sandcraft didn't have a Sand Slayer, maybe, but they've already got that, and they would be like, John is trying to copy us. Oh, Gage, thanks for commenting, buddy. Booty Holler. That's Lou's Offroad. But we're family friendly. But I do like that. I love you, Justin. The Sandaholic. Ooh, or if you're saying your car is a she, name her Dark Sky because of the blue on black. I do like Dark Sky. But I need it to be a character, you know what I mean? Like that's, if you guys are like semi-new to our channel, we got Sherb. Sherb was a character, Scarlett Johansson, because she was like, Scarlett Johansson's really pretty and everybody likes her and everything, but you could tell she got an attitude problem on her, so that's why I called her Scarlett Johansson, because that car has just always giving me an attitude. Daisy is Daisy Designer. Our Fleetwood that we have, our motorhome is Fancy the Fleetwood. It's like characters, you know what I mean? Like Misty the Majestic. So we wanted to stay within that same thing, and there was a few like they were really close. Like I love the Stormy, and the Louis the limo was really cute. But guys, that's just what we chose. It just seemed fitting. I like the name. Miss Leona has been, I think that's how you pronounce your name. She has been a subscriber of ours for years and years and years. Honestly, I didn't pick it based on what subscriber put it, because I don't want to show favoritism to anybody. I picked it. I say we picked it because we picked it based on the names we like. Nothing to do with who you were as a subscriber to us. So I appreciate all you guys participating, and thank you so much, guys. It means a lot that y'all all took the time to comment and say that. Anyhow, like I said, this video was supposed to be short. It turned out to be way long. But love you guys so much. The sun started setting earlier. The snow is gone. Thank God it didn't stick. The ground is drying up. It's looking to be a beautiful weekend. So the next video, you'll finally see Lucy going out for a ride. Wait a minute. Is Zach's car's name Lucy from Dirt Dudes? Huh. Hold, please.
What a plot twist!
All right, guys. Change plans. But not really. But yeah. So I was thinking about this, man, and I was like, wait a minute. Zach, our buddy from Dirt Dudes, he had a Turbo S named Lucy. His name was not picked out whatsoever based on his car having that name. So that's very weird that it just correlated like that. So we're changing our minds, baby. We're going back to Lucille. It's Lucille all the way. We're not going to go and name our car after one of our friends' cars. It's not how things work. And we originally picked Lucille anyways. The fun fact.
Lucille Ball, and actually, you guys, the paint, everything is going to be black and white with a touch of red, like the old-fashioned show. I love Lucille Ball. Yeah, so plot twist.
She lies. Or does she? But anyway, so Lucille, that's great. You see that? You see how things work in real time when we're recording? Right? We changed on the... Really, we stuck to the original name, right? Lucille it is, guys. I love you, Zach. And I'm sorry. I was not trying to copy you. I just liked the name and thought Lucille, Lucy. But anyways, whatever. Doesn't matter. We're going. Lucille is her name. So I picked the name, and then Krista picked a name, and we didn't tell each other what it was until the end. So just so you know, our decision was actually made separate, and we both picked that name, which is crazy to me that we both picked that name. So
hey, and I do want to just say, 'cause I was just Googling like Lucille Ball, and it says one of her most famous quotes, which I just feel like it's a little fitting. It says, "I'd rather regret the things I've done than regret the things I haven't done." So
yeah, I like that. That's going to be a saying on her.
I think, yeah.
Now she's going to have a saying. Look at that. She just found herself a character. Lucille is her name. I know what you're thinking. Damn, man, you changed your mind that quick. That's how I work, guys. That's how I function. Things are weird like that. It happens in this house all day long. My mind gets changed 28 times in the day. Right? That's why he's so crazy, because he's just like me. Anyways, we love you guys. Oh, whoa. Okay, say bye. We love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. And Lucille, what's her name now?